Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where quick access crashes File Explorer in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is to restart Windows Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now right click on Windows Explorer and then select Restart. The next one is to open File Explorer to this PC. So open File Explorer. Even if it's crashing, you can at least open it once, right? So after opening File Explorer, you can click on these three dots at the top right corner, select Options, change Open File Explorer to, select this PC, apply, OK. The next solution is a clean boot. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And the last one is a malware scan. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. This will open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter. Okay, and this will open the malware removal tool. And then select next, select full scan, select next. It will start scanning files and remove them if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.